Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat device ban problem on your Snapchat account. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Snapchat account but you are unable to log in and your Snapchat device ban issue is raised, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device. And from here you have to simply scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now tap on iPhone storage, and from here tap on Snapchat and offload your Snapchat app for one time from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now tap on App Store and search here for Snapchat. Here it is, and now you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser in your device and search here for sport.snapchat.com. Here it is, and after this you have to simply tap on Snapchat Sport from here, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and tap on my account is compromised. Here we can see this, tap on this and wait here for some seconds, and from here you have to simply check this button to I cannot access my account from here. So guys, simply check this button to I cannot access my account, and after this you have to simply tap on I think my account was compromised and check this button to I think my account was compromised. So guys, simply do this, and after this scroll it below, and here you have to simply give your username. So guys, give your Snapchat username and then give your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, and after this you have to simply give here your active phone number, and after this you will find this box, and in this box you will have to simply explain your problem in a brief way that you have not violated any community guidelines on Snapchat but your account has been disabled and it is compromised. So I simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this scroll it below and tap on submit and submit this report to the Snapchat team. So guys, they will review your report and your Snapchat account, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.